TruVideo has brought back the trust factor from our customers.
When they see the video and they see actually what's going on, they want to get it fixed.
The customers' reactions have been, wow, this is great, way to go.
There's been multiple phone calls going, unbelievable, great tool. Now we can see what's going on with the truck.
TruVideo is a good accountability between the customer and us.
It's not just, hey, this is what's wrong with your truck on paper, this is what it is. Is it true, is it not? The video is going to show it. A broken spring in this brake can here. The other brake cans and everything's going to them are all good. Thank you for bringing your vehicles for your service needs. Please come again, have a nice day.
In regards to TruVideo, I highly recommend any shop out there that is doing repair work on customer vehicles, get it.
Definitely get it. It is a good tool to use for both your shop foremen and your technicians.
You're showing the defects, you're showing the customer your vehicle, and they appreciate that. Like you say, a TruVideo does not lie.